Hola, and welcome to my original YouTube channel here at Benidorm and beyond. Today's vlog comes in the form of a latest news update about the popular 4-star Hotel Port Benidorm and Spa, which is situated in the Rincon de Loix area, and just a few metres inland and uphill from the beautiful Levante beachfront and its fabulous bars, shops, restaurants and water sports. Built in 1974, when the hotel was known as Los Dalmatas, as many of you may remember, it was fully renovated in 2016 to become the Port Benidorm that we see today, with 288 exterior-facing rooms over its 18 floors and with free Wi-Fi offered throughout. 4 years ago, plans were announced for a huge renovation and extension project for the hotel, with the work having started in 2021, when I provided regular video updates of the construction over the months. The start of the demolition saw a corner supermarket that used to sit opposite the Plaza and Triangle pubs razed to the ground, ready for the new extension building to be constructed. The expansion works were always due to be divided into 2 phases, with a total cost of between 10 and 12 million euros. The first phase, which has been complete for quite some time now, included building the second tower attached to the current one, which I just mentioned, along with the addition of new offices on the first floor, serving as headquarters for the whole of the Port Hotels chain, along with a second floor where a multimedia room is located, as well as a basement room to be turned into an area specifically for children staying at the hotel. The second phase of works is due to see the dining room area increased, as well as its bed capacity increasing by a further 120 rooms, and it was also said there'll be a heated outdoor swimming pool for clients staying in the new suites. The project will involve building an adjoining 26-storey tower, adding an additional 8 floors to its current flagship hotel in this ever-expanding tourist city of skyscrapers. The work is expected to be completed before the high summer season of 2026, according to company sources. The new building will house 125 hotel rooms, bringing the total to over 400 in the whole establishment, and of the 26 floors in the new tower, 23 will be dedicated to new accommodation units, whilst the others will reinforce and expand the catalogue of services and common areas to offer guests at the Hotel Port Benidorm, quote, a comprehensive experience of luxury and well-being. In addition, new pool areas will be added, and the hotel's existing rooftop will be expanded to increase the capacity and services of their fabulous sky bar and restaurant, La Terrasse, which anyone is welcome to use, whether a guest of the hotel or not. Also, the current car park will be demolished, which will be replaced by a new 3-storey parking area to improve capacity and accessibility. The deadline for the execution of the work is 24 months, and the licence will expire if the work has not started within 6 months of notification, or once started is stopped for 6 months. A press release from the group said that the expansion of the Port Benidorm Hotel and Spa not only reinforces Port Hotel's commitment to growth and innovation in the hotel industry, but also underlines its commitment to Benidorm as a benchmark destination for national and international tourism, noting that with this project, Port Hotels continues to raise the standards of quality and service that have characterised the chain throughout its history. The Port Hotels Group currently has more than 800 employees, with 1,925 rooms totalling nearly 4,000 hotel beds, which are spread over its 11 hotels in the Costa Blanca area, including one in Benidorm's Old Town called the Port Vista Oro, and others in local resorts and cities such as Calpe, Denia, Elche and Valencia. I'll see you out and about next time, and thanks so much for watching as always. Bye for now, adios, and catch you all again soon. Cheers!